This is the sticker that I sent, their page of stickers that I sent to 10 my traveling buddies, friends that at some time in my life we took a road trip together. And this camera really works amazingly well. That's a great reproduction. And this is a stupid video. This is the white Tara, a Tibetan spirit deity of goodwill and good health. And I bought this about 10 years ago for $100. It has a slight crack in it, so it was lower priced. But it's beautiful workmanship and very well painted. And this is a construction I made called You Have Friends. And I really like it. It's the naked cowboy and the invisible woman and the tiki god. And the muscle boys, the wall crawlers, and the dinosaur, and the good luck coin. All right. And lastly, this piece was reconstructed in the spirit of Peter Breza. The grass was there, but something else was on it that broke, so I added the poker chip and the shoe and the other things. And I like it much better. Sometimes disaster leads to something better. And curiously, it's right next to this other piece that I did the same thing, where the branch broke and I left the 2 nails and put some other stuff in there. And I really like this one. It's part of a series, and these 2 I have up. You know, with the spoon, the fork, and the feather. Oh, but of course. And that feather, I think, is from Xavier, but I can't remember for sure. And similarly, I have one over here. That's the spoon, the fork, and that seed pod dried weed thing. Isn't that appetizing? In the middle, I have one of the oldest ones I did. This is like from 2002 or something. Back in the good old days. And those were some of my favorite little pieces. The plastic soda bottle, the cockroach, and the hula girl. And the old coin. All right. These branches were given me by Emmy, the seed pod and that branch with right angles. And I painted the ground with oil paints, and it took 2 years to dry. Literally, 2 years. And this one was reconfigured because part of it broke. I saved the nails and added those other things in the spirit of Peter Breza, reconstructing his constructions. And this is where we all end up. This is the end of everything. Oh, isn't that funny? All right, let's try this again.